Good afternoon, guys. That's one of my favorite sights of the day. All I have to do is put on my shoes. I still have my work boots on. We have finished a total gutter restoration. We did a pool enclosure, both the enclosure and the deck. We did a driveway, and we did a house wash, and it was filthy. This is the video that will supersede or come after the first video that I made, where I had talked about a house, customer of mine, that they haven't done a house wash in 4 years, and that's just far too long. So, every couple of years, you need to be checking up on things. If you want to check up on, things once a year, that's fine. Most of the time, depending on how thorough and detailed you are and how much solution you use, and the flora and fauna, how much sun exposure, the north and west facing sides, what are we talking about in regards to mold and mildew? So every house is going to be different depending on the trees. We do have some pines, we have some oaks, but turn around, take a look at everything. And this was done with the X-Jet and a lot of hard work. So I will let you see the driveway. The driveway is all finished. It is in the process of drying, but we do use the circle technique. And you can kind of see where that stop area is up there. We use the circle technique, and that way we don't have any type of lap lines or anything like that. We have some serious drainage issues in this area here, so we can't really push things through. You can see the puddle up over there. You can see a massive puddle up over here. So that is the neighborhood. Those curbs are clean. It's just backwash that keeps flowing in. I'm going to turn you around now. If you guys get houses that you're doing, they had a delivery today, so I stuck the delivery over there. I will put that back by the front door. I had to move all this stuff off of here because it was everywhere, but house wash came out beautiful. Paint is popping, windows are sparkling. I'll wave to everybody. You can see my hand clear as day in there. There you go, right by the tree. Windows sparkle. This area here is we have a miter joint and also a gutter seam that's just dripping all over here. So we cleaned all that up. That was bright green. You guys remember that before. You can check out the after pictures. You can just see how beautiful that is. I'll bring you up really close, and you can just kind of get a look at how gorgeous that wall came out. And really everything for that matter. Got everything looking really, really good. All your walls, windows, soffits, gutter line, the whole 9 yards all the way around. We'll take a quick walk and we'll go into this pool enclosure where you can see a very compromised pool paint. The pool paint is just shot. So, but this was recently painted, and we kept all this in really good condition. You can just see how beautiful that came out. You can see your soffits and your flashing all the way around, how beautiful that is. And I'll show you what the beams look like, because you guys remember from that previous video how much mildew and algae and mold. We had lichen, we had pine nettles everywhere. We had a lot of work today. Anyway, so I'm not a landscaper, and so I'm not chopping all that out of there. See all that? That's all weed growth. That's going to be for a landscaper's job. That's not my job. That would be, a long time. But you can see the flashing and the fascia. The walls look really, really good. I'll turn you around really quickly here, and we'll just kind of stomp our feet off, and we'll go inside here because I want you guys to be able to see what the X-Jet and a decently strong solution can do. If I turn you around, you can see, what the beams look like. We'll get in the show we're shooting. That door was black, by the way. I mean, black. It was black. So it's not anymore. But you can see this is compromised pool paint. Okay, so you cannot surface clean this. Otherwise, it's going to look really bad. We have rips in the screens, very old deck, needs to be redone. But we made it look great. We used a fan tip off of our X-Jet at about 25 degrees and cleaned this deck up really, really nicely. It was hideous. So we'll turn you around here, and we'll let you kind of see how nice that enclosure looks now, and sort of what those what those beams look like, and that's what they should look like. And this whole front fascia here was just absolutely green. And you can see that that's not green anymore, and the deck looks great. And so we're really pleased with the way things came out. Have a great day, everyone. Keep cleaning. And this is about as good as you're going to make it look, because it's just so chewed up. You know, you got pool paint failure, but really pleased with, you know, with the super gutter cleaning. I mean, there were leaves that were built out probably about, I don't know, let's say 8 inches out this way, just full, the whole thing. And these beams were green and just really looking bad. So hope everyone's having a great day. Keep cleaning out there. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. Dynamite service with explosive results. Good night, everyone.